Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the Hot Wheels Track Pack. This is a Kid Picks Toys R Us exclusive. Comes with 39 pieces in this cool carrying bag. One car included. Let's open it up. Here's everything that comes inside this pack. It has a launcher, loop, jump, has an instruction manual. Here's a closer look at the car included. And this is a kind of set where you can set it up any way you like. And here's how you put together the various pieces. On the package it shows this layout, so I'll try to make it the same way as best as I can for this demonstration. Here we go.